Magic is a power that enables ordinary people to do impossible things by saying special words. And that's what computer programming is. It's the ability to do impossible things by saying special words. And what we do is we teach children to program in Minecraft using the metaphor of magic. It's Magikcraft. We do that using JavaScript, and I hear you asking, why JavaScript? Because JavaScript is the furry, rodent-like mammal of programming languages. It's everywhere, and it's going to continue to be everywhere into the future as coding becomes more important for not just thriving, but even surviving in employability in the market. So we do that through the Magikcraft Spellbook, which is our cloud-enabled, containerized, hyperscale, micro IDE. You are looking at it now. There it is. So it starts with the kids just copying code from here in the API documentation on the left, pasting it into the editor on the right, and by doing that they unlock the Stack Overflow programming achievement, which means that they now have 80% of everything that they need to actually be a professional developer. So I hear you asking about what kind of curriculum do you have? Well, our program results in children naturally engaged in discovery rather than being taught. So what they do is they change stuff and see what happens, and they try stuff out until it works. It started because I wanted to teach my son, who's 13, to code. And when I started to learn how to code on the Atari 800 XL, I turned the thing on, nothing's happening, I can start coding and I can get something that is immediately dramatically effective. Whereas for my son, he turns on his iPad or his computer, it's very difficult for him to achieve the same kind of experience, so I wanted to create that for him, and that's how Magikcraft was born. So we use a lean and agile, customer-centric, scrumified, extreme MVP approach, sponsored by Rockstar Energy Drink, because you are what you drink. So we took a Lenovo ThinkStation, we shoved a Raspberry Pi inside it, stuffed an Arduino inside that, then we installed Java on it, and we wrote an API in TypeScript to run inside the Nashorn JavaScript engine inside Minecraft, and basically created a technological turducken. Wrapped in bacon. As I like to say, a technological turducken. Behold, version 1.0. And we brought some lean to it, and we did some optimization once we had a working prototype. We then containerized it with Docker, hyperscaled it globally, and shrunk it down into a piece of hardware that can now fit into the palm of your hand. In other words, making the world a better place. So we do iteration, we do weekly sprints, we release with our customers every week, iterate, validate, and build it in close proximity to our early adopter, passionate, engaged user base. We have a team of very highly engaged and effective people involved in development and delivery of the product, including my friend Tim. He looks a bit blurry here. He's leaving a 500 startups company, moving from Thailand to Brisbane to work on it full-time in 2 weeks. Say hi when you see him around. And we have a great panel of advisors helping us out with vision and direction. So as the great magician Arthur C. Clarke said, any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. And here's a picture of a platypus with a rocket pack. So if you have children, if they Minecraft, if you want them to learn the program, Magikcraft.io. In the next school term, we're expanding our program from the pilot implementation to 4 other schools in the Brisbane area. If you would like to have a conversation about offering Magikcraft at your school, your children's school, or someone that you know, please come and see me afterwards. I'm Josh Wolf.